This exercise takes your plank progression exercise to the next level. We are essentially doing a plank where we are moving our arms. So think about that plank exercise as your foundation for this movement. And think about where you are comfortable in your plank, where you can feel your abdominals and there is no abdominal doming or bulging going on. And that's going to be your starting point for this exercise. So if you can only get to a wall, that's okay. If you're able to progress to something lower, like a countertop, a coffee table perhaps, maybe even the stairs is a good way to progress through this also. But again, you want to make sure that your abs and your lower abs, specifically your transverse abdominis, they are contracted and creating that flat ab effect like we've talked about. So if you feel your abs bulging or doming, then you're too low and you do need to go to a higher surface. So just remember that. Now, we are focused primarily on the chest in this particular exercise. So you want to make sure that we have our hands flat against our surface and they are, kind of wide enough apart so that when you bend your elbows and bring your elbows back, that you're really getting your chest towards whatever surface you're working against. So be that a table, be that the wall here. Now, there is a modification for this exercise in order to focus more on the triceps. And in order to do that, you do need to bring your hands a little bit lower, kind of right around your bra strap kind of area. And you want your hands just on either side of your bra area. And by lowering yourself down, you are actually doing more tricep work. So, but I do want to focus on, for our time right now, is to focus on the pecs. So if you're feeling it in your triceps, then bring your hands up higher and a little wider so that we can get more into that pec muscle.